But he hates the FBI.
Yeah, right. It's just to throw you off. What do you think, this whole thing's an accident? He knew about the Howlett thing from the start. FBI probably planted him here, thinking he'd get first jump on the burglary call. Afraid we'd screw it up. Pencil next. You don't get that kind of training at the academy.
No, that's old school, man.
That's federal government training.
Like Navy SEAL stuff.
Come on, let's go get my hand.
Okay, it's not a good view of the water, but I wanted to experience being with the rest of the RVs. This one on that side. But this feels like, the breeze feels like laying out on the beach. It feels like laying out on the beach. And well, you can't see the breeze, but it's out there. You can see the trees. A slight breeze, but it feels good though. He don't know how to work it.
For New York 384, New York 265.